Good morning. Today we are going to learn the second of the two building block stitches in knitting, the purl stitch. Now that you've mastered the knit stitch, once you become comfortable with this one, you can start to expand your skill set to tackle more advanced projects. On this piece, I've used purl stitches. Remember how knit stitches look like vertical V's? Well, purl stitches look like waves. See, it goes up and over. For a purl stitch, you want to make sure your yarn is in front of your work. Then you're going to slide your right hand needle into the top stitch. This time you're going from top to bottom. Wrap the yarn around the right hand needle counterclockwise, just like you did for the knit stitch. As you pull your needle back out of the stitch, make sure to grab the loop you made. And there it is, your purl stitch. Once you knit a few of them, you'll see the wave pattern. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.